Welcome back. Today we bring you another inspiring tale of a trader and investor. Without further delay, let's dive right in. He wasn't a Wall Street insider. He didn't have an Ivy League degree. In fact, he didn't even finish high school. Yet starting with just a few $1,000s and a dream, he transformed himself into one of the most respected stock traders in America. He turned small sums into millions, competed with the best, and even earned the coveted title of Market Wizard. His name? Mark Minervini. Mark Minervini was born on January 22, 1965 in Queens, New York, into a Christian American family. His life didn't follow the traditional academic path. Dropping out in the 8th grade, he had little formal education to rely on. But what he lacked in schooling, he more than made up for in grit, curiosity, and an obsession with the stock market. In 1983, he began trading stocks from his home in New York. His goal was modest. He simply wanted to make $500 a month. But behind that small number was a burning desire to prove himself, to succeed where few without formal credentials ever could. At first, Minervini leaned heavily on fundamental analysis, studying company reports and numbers. But he soon realized that wasn't enough. He could understand businesses, but he couldn't consistently make money from stocks. The breakthrough came years later. Between 1995 and 1999, Minervini discovered and refined a system that changed everything. During this period, he achieved returns exceeding 33,554%. Starting with just $20,000, he turned it into nearly $4.5 million in profits. The results were staggering. Even before his massive windfall, he was already making waves. In 1997, Minervini entered the S.InvestingChampionship, competing with traders who used risky leverage strategies like futures and options. He took a different route. Using only long-only stocks, he generated a return of 155% in 1 year, nearly double that of his closest rival. That victory established his reputation and set the stage for everything that followed. With success came recognition. Traders wanted to know how he did it. They wanted to learn his system. This demand led him to write his first book, Trade Like a Stock Market Wizard: How to Achieve Super Performance in Stocks in Any Market. It wasn't just a technical manual, it was a roadmap built on his years of struggle, failure, and eventual triumph. The book became an instant classic, recommended widely to aspiring traders. But Minervini wasn't done. His second book, Think and Trade Like a Champion, dug deeper into the mindset and discipline required to sustain success. Both books remain essential reading for traders, often appearing on best-of-all-time lists, including Book Authority's top recommendations. His story also earned him a feature in Jack Schwager's legendary Stock Market Wizards series, cementing his status as one of the best. At the core of Minervini's success is his SEPA registered trademark methodology, specific entry point analysis. Unlike traders who chase hype or gamble on tips, he built a system that combined the precision of technical analysis with the foundation of fundamentals. Every night he meticulously planned his moves, which stocks to buy, which to sell, pivot points and risk controls. He looked for stocks with strong upward momentum and histories of market outperformance. When the setup was right, he entered decisively. When it wasn't, he waited. His golden rules were clear. Protect capital at all costs. Cut losses quickly. Let winning trades run. This discipline separated him from thousands of traders who came and went. Over more than 5 years, Minervini achieved an average annual return of 220%, with only one losing quarter. In total, that amounted to a 33,500% gain. To put it in perspective, $100,000 invested using his strategy could have grown to over $30 million in just 5 years. Consistency at that level is almost unheard of. And it wasn't luck. It was the product of discipline, planning, and an unshakable commitment to his rules. After his championship victory, Minervini's career soared. Traders and investors from around the world sought his guidance. To meet the demand, he launched Minervini Private Access, an exclusive online platform where members could watch his trades unfold in real time and learn directly from his strategies. Through workshops, summits, and social media, he opened up his methods to a wide audience. Today, with over 400,000 followers on Twitter, he continues to share insights, proving that education is as central to his mission as trading itself. Minervini's achievements brought him not only fame, but also substantial fortune. His trading account has been estimated at around $45 million. Add to that approximately $23 million from his trading services and a real estate portfolio worth about $4 million. And his net worth is believed to be close to $72 million. Interestingly, Minervini often emphasizes that his best-selling books don't significantly contribute to this wealth. His core income comes from trading itself, underscoring that his authority comes from practice, not publishing. For Minervini, trading is more than charts and numbers. It's a test of character. He stresses that discipline is the single most important factor for long-term success. Knowledge, skills, and even intelligence mean little if a trader cannot control emotions, follow a plan, and manage risk. His approach encourages traders to stay focused, avoid market noise, and never lose sight of the bigger picture, protecting capital while maximizing opportunities. Though finance defines his professional life, Mark Minervini is far from one-dimensional. Outside of trading, he has passions that keep him grounded and competitive. He enjoys boxing, bodybuilding, karate, poker, and playing the drums. On January 12, 2011, he married Elena Minervini, and together they have a daughter. Despite his fame, he often shares glimpses of his personal life with his followers, making him relatable as more than just a trading icon. Today at 57, with nearly 4 decades of experience, Mark Minervini continues to trade actively, mentor aspiring investors, and lead Minervini Private Access. His journey from a Queen's dropout to a millionaire trader is not only about money, it's about resilience, vision, and relentless self-belief. He proved that even without formal education, one could climb to the top of Wall Street through sheer discipline and dedication. His life is a reminder that success isn't about where you start, it's about how fiercely you commit to your path. And so, the boy who once dreamed of making just $500 a month went on to inspire traders worldwide, leaving behind not just a fortune, but a philosophy that continues to shape the future of trading.